Shakira visited schools damaged by the earthquake in Colombia. She announced plans to rebuild 10 damaged schools. She wants children to return to school as soon as possible. Every day children miss school is a day they miss out on their future. Shakira said she would not abandon the people of Chocó. Several organizations have pledged money to help rebuild schools. The earthquake destroyed thousands of homes across western Colombia. The region has struggled with poverty for many years. Rebuilding schools is essential to helping children get back to normal life. Shakira hopes children can return to school and dream about their futures again.